You wake up exhausted, even though you slept 8 hours. You open your books, but your brain feels like it's swimming through fog. You tell yourself just one more all-nighter, but deep down, you know you're running on empty. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Burnout doesn't come from working too hard, it comes from working the wrong way. And if you're watching this, you're probably closer to burning out than you think. But what if I told you there's a routine that helps you study smarter, feel energized, and actually get results without destroying yourself in the process? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a complete anti-burnout system that actually works. Look, I get it. You've got exams, assignments, projects piling up. Everyone's telling you to work harder, but nobody's teaching you how to protect your brain while doing it. That's what this video is about. I'm going to give you a complete routine broken down into 4 parts: morning, afternoon, evening, and the mindset shifts that tie it all together. This isn't theory. This is what actually works when you're trying to perform under pressure without falling apart. Let's get into it. The morning reset. Most students wake up and immediately check their phone. Notifications, messages, stress before you even get out of bed. Your cortisol levels spike, your brain goes into reactive mode, and you've already lost the battle before breakfast. Here's what researchers found. The first 90 minutes of your day set your nervous system's tone for the next 12 hours. If you start chaotic, you stay chaotic. If you start intentional, you build momentum. Here is how to start your morning the right way. Step 1. No phone for the first 30 minutes. I know it sounds impossible, but this is non-negotiable. Your brain needs time to wake up without being hijacked by other people's agendas. Step 2. Sunlight within 10 minutes of waking. Go outside, look at the sky, just 2 minutes. This triggers cortisol at the right time and sets your circadian rhythm. You'll sleep better tonight and focus better today. Neuroscientist Andrew Huberman swears by this, and it's free. Step 3. Move your body for 5 to 10 minutes. Not a workout, just movement, jumping jacks, stretching, a quick walk. This gets blood flowing to your brain and flips the switch from groggy to alert. Step 4. Eat protein within the first hour. Eggs, Greek yogurt, peanut butter toast. Protein stabilizes your blood sugar so you don't crash by 11 a.m. Tomorrow morning, try this. Wake up, don't touch your phone, get sunlight, do 20 jumping jacks, eat eggs. That's it. Watch how different you feel by noon. The afternoon productivity window. You sit down to study at 2 p.m., and suddenly you're thinking about lunch, scrolling Instagram, or staring at the same paragraph for 20 minutes. Your willpower is gone. Your focus is shot. And then you blame yourself. Your brain has a natural energy dip between 1 and 3 p.m. It's biology, not laziness. Fighting it makes everything harder. But here's the secret. If you work with your energy instead of against it, you can get more done in less time. Follow this routine for perfect afternoon. Step 1. Time block your deep work before lunch. Your brain is sharpest between 9 a.m. and 12 p.m. That's when you tackle the hardest subject, the essay, the math problems. Don't waste your peak hours on easy stuff. Step 2. Take a strategic afternoon break. Between 1 and 3 p.m., do something restorative, a 20-minute nap, a walk, a proper lunch away from your desk. This isn't slacking, it's recharging. Studies show a 20-minute nap boosts memory consolidation by 30%. Step 3. Use the Pomodoro technique after 3 p.m. 25 minutes focused, 5 minutes off, repeat. Why? Because your attention span is shorter in the afternoon. Working in sprints matches your biology. Step 4. Change your environment. If you've been studying in your room all day, move. Go to a library, a coffee shop, even a different room. New environment equals brain reset. Today, try one 25-minute Pomodoro session after 3 p.m. on your hardest task. Just one. See how much you get done. The evening wind down. You study until midnight because you have to. Then you can't fall asleep because your brain won't shut off. Then you wake up exhausted. Repeat. This is the burnout loop, and it's killing your results. Your brain needs a transition period between work mode and sleep mode. If you go straight from studying to bed, your cortisol stays high and your sleep quality tanks. Bad sleep equals bad memory consolidation. All that studying was half as effective. Here is your secret routine for this evening. Step 1. Set a hard stop time. Pick a time, 9 p.m., 10 p.m., whatever works. After that time, no studying, no exceptions. Why? Because tired studying is junk studying. You're just burning time, not learning. Step 2. Create a shutdown ritual. Close your books, write down tomorrow's top 3 tasks, pack your bag. This signals to your brain, work is done. Step 3. Screen curfew 90 minutes before bed. Blue light destroys your melatonin production. No phone, no laptop, no TV. Read a book, journal, talk to family, stretch. I know this sounds extreme, but your sleep quality will double. Step 4. Optimize your sleep environment. Cool room around 65 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit, dark, quiet. Your brain needs deep sleep to transfer information from short-term to long-term memory. Skip this and you're wasting your study time. Tonight, set an alarm for 90 minutes before bed. When it goes off, put your phone in another room. Try it once. See how you feel tomorrow morning. The mindset shifts that hold it all together. Shift 1. Rest is productive. You've been taught that more hours equals better results. That's a lie. Your brain builds new neural connections during rest, not during study. Rest isn't the opposite of productivity, it's part of productivity. Shift 2. Progress over perfection. Burnout loves perfectionism. You think, if I can't study for 4 hours straight, why bother? Wrong mindset. 20 focused minutes beats 2 unfocused hours every single time. Stop waiting for perfect conditions. Start with what you can do right now. Shift 3. Your worth isn't your grades. I need you to hear this. You are not your exam score. You are not your GPA. You're a human being who's doing their best in a system that demands too much. Work hard, yes, but never at the cost of your health. Because what's the point of success if you're too burned out to enjoy it? Shift 4. Small wins compound. You don't need to overhaul your entire life tonight. You just need to do one thing differently tomorrow, then another thing the next day. These tiny changes stack up faster than you think. In 6 months, you'll look back and won't recognize the person you were.
Look, burnout is real, and if you're feeling it right now, you're not weak, you're not lazy, you're just running a system that wasn't built to last. But here's the good news, you can change it starting tomorrow. Wake up with intention, protect your energy, study smarter, rest without guilt. Do this consistently and you won't just avoid burnout, you'll actually start enjoying the process. You'll get better results, you'll feel more alive, and you'll prove to yourself that you can achieve your goals without destroying yourself along the way. You've got this. Now go implement one thing from this video today, not tomorrow, today. And if this helped you, hit that like button so more students can find this. Subscribe if you want more real, practical advice that actually works. Drop a comment and tell me which part of the routine you're trying first. I'll see you in the next one. Now go take care of yourself. You deserve it.